gold yesterday has created a strong bearish candle where the price should not make further rise in value above 2514 price level, which was mentioned in the day before. Now the price has gone below this one, 2501, which was mentioned here in the yesterday analysis. That is very important for the price to make a breakout. Will the price make a breakout below this price level, 2501, or it will make a breakout above 2514? The price has formed a bearish breakout below this price level, and the price has continued to fall down even more, where we can see that the price has closed the day at the price level 2484 and the price has reached 2470. Now I have mentioned yesterday that the price could reach the price level around this one here, 2467 and also 2471, and the price has reached that if the price makes a breakout. And this was also mentioned inside the Telegram group with the traders on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame, where it was suggested that the price could reach these price levels if the price makes a breakout. So when the price has formed a bearish breakout below this price level, inside the Telegram there was also mentioned what are the targets and also what could happen. Now 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame have all the price levels, support and the resistances that are in between on the smaller time frame. Now what we can see, after the price has reached this support level, the price has bounced back up, which is usually normal whenever the price reaches a support or resistance on the higher price level. Now the price has bounced back up, so what we can expect? Currently this is a Friday. It is the day when the traders get out from their trades, look at their profits, and sometimes the Friday has sudden and sharp moves, which also can cause moving in the opposite direction. So I'm careful, especially in the afternoon. So if the trading is active, then it is the best to do that before in the morning, before the afternoon, and then be away. So for now, what is expected? There is a high probability for the price to make a small retrace around this price level here, 2494, or around this one, 2496, and then bounce back down. Will the price manage to make a bullish breakout above 2501 to enter again into this area where the price was held for several days, or will the price bounce back down? This is something that we'll see also inside the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame, and share with the traders inside the Telegram. Now, what I am expecting, there is a high probability that the price could continue to fall down even more, reaching again this price level and seeing will the price make a bearish breakout below this one. So first of all, the first important level is this one here. Will the price make a bullish breakout on the daily basis and also 4-hour time frame, or it will bounce back down and go below? So there are much more to see what happens, and today is Friday, which is also sometimes messy, not going what is predicted with the technical analysis. So we need to be very careful. So for now, I'm expecting there is a probability that the price will go up and then bounce back down, continue to fall because of this bearish momentum that I have seen here. But remember, it's Friday. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and if you would like to check the link will be below for the Telegram in the description, so you can also check and join the Telegram group where the traders get also the analysis, and we talk about these price levels that are on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.